Hi professors and TAs, I'm Lucas, and this is me and Yihong's term project for 15112. Our term project is the Sudoku game, which mainly uses space and transformers as a topic. And this is our main code. We made some annotations and try to make the code as clean as possible. And this is our user interface. Our code mainly have several screens: the splash screen, help screen, play screen, select screen, and finally the win and lose screen. So this is our splash screen, and we mainly have two buttons, the play button and the help button. If you click the help button, it will directly activate the select screen, which allows you to select the level of the game. And if you click the help button, it will just activate the instruction page, which will show you the detailed rules of the Sudoku game. And this button here works exactly as the one in the splash screen, which will activate the select screen. In the select screen, we have 5 static images. Despite of the middle one, if you click any one of these 4, it will play a very short GIF, which is a transformer. And after the GIF finished, it will activate the playboard, like this. And this works exactly the same for all these 4. So you can also realize one point is that if I want to play the medium one, however, I just only click the easy one, it doesn't matter. During the GIF period, you just need to re-click the medium one. So it will load the medium board. And this is our playboard, and we finish all the basic features. The first is about the automatic mode. Like, it can show all the possible legal values for each cell. And we have 2 hints. When we press H, it will try to find the singleton and obvious tuples. If it exists, then just highlight that one. And this means that it finds the singleton, and when we press more G, it will fail it. So in order to better show how hint 2 works, I reactivate the expert board. So in this board, we can find that in row 2, there is 6, 8, 6, 8, and 1, 6, 8. So this obviously is obvious tuple. So when we press H, it will highlight all these 3, and when we press G, it will fill the 1 with the proper legal value. Despite of all the basic features, we also finished some of the extra features. The first is about the autofill of the singletons. When we press S, it will directly find the singleton and fill it, like this, the right corner. We also do the manual mode. When the automatic mode is off and we click into a cell, we can find that there is some small numbers inside each cell. And we can click it to let it remain there. And we can use this as a draft or reminder while playing the game. And also when we re-click it, it will disappear. The next feature is that our board is totally random generated, which means that we can have infinitely unrepeated boards. And you can see that in our working environment, there is no zip file of the board. And this is our code. So for the board, the harder the board, the more cells we remove from the board. And in the medium board, it can be totally finished by using the 2 hints. And this is our winning screen. The last feature is about the redo undo. We can input some wrong number. The color can be quite obvious, like this. And we can click undo to go to the next step, and redo to restore. The redo undo also works when we input some wrong cells inside the same cell, and we can undo it and restore it. For each level of game, we have limited number of mistakes you can make. If you all use all these chances, then we will activate the blue screen. In the blue screen, you can press R to restart the whole game, or press N to replay the same level. This is N, and this is R. So this is our term project. Hopefully you guys can like it. Thank you for watching.